Love. Hey my loves, welcome back to Women 50 and Beyond. Yes, I made this t-shirt. This is my thing. Women 50 and Beyond. I am focusing on everything women do, beauty, fashion, and everything lifestyle for women 50 and over. Hey, if you're 45, join the club. I'm just starting, really putting things together as far as motivating women. Women. I am starting to put together a thing for empowering women, inspirational stuff, motivational stuff for women my age. I am pre-menopausal. This is not about that video. That video, actually, I have two more episodes coming, and I will leave that link down below. Hi, my name is Tara, and I am the co-founder of Women 50 and Beyond. It's coming soon. Please bear with me. There's a lot of things we will be doing. I will be doing to help women my age. So with that being said, stay tuned for Women 50 and Beyond. This is now my channel. I revamped my channel because, like I said, I'm doing a lot of things women that's my age and over. I am 53. I'll be 54 December 21st this year. I came on because I've launched my Instagram channel. It's called Shop Tara Love Diva Styles. I launched my collection, which is, let me turn my phone on low. Hold on. Let's turn you down for a second. I had launched my handbag collection. I don't know what you want to call it. I love luxury. I love, as you can see, shoes and handbags. I love it. I'm just like winging this video today. So with that being said, excuse my little goofiness, but I did launch my handbag collection. I also have a signature bag. If you've seen the thumbnail, my signature bag is this here, and then I'm gonna have a combo bag. This is my work bag. This is my life. I carry everything in this bag. Oh, you want to lift weights? Lift those two bags. Anywho, I came to do to announce my handbag collection, and my next video I'll be showing you different handbags. They are designer style handbags. They are not designer bags. They designer style handbags. Affordable designer style handbags. So with that being said, let's get on to the video. Me personally, when I carry my handbags, I love handbags. They come with straps. I don't use the straps because I don't like anything weighing my shoulders down like that. And I think it's just prettier to carry in my hand. When it comes to me, when I carry things, if I'm out more than 6, 7, 8 hours, I'm carrying my bag. Sometimes I'll carry my Louis Vuitton tote bag, the MM or the other one. But now I have my, I'm in love with this bag, and it comes in a couple of colors. I will show you a few. Matter of fact, let me show you the color. I will put pictures up of the different colors my signature bag comes in. So let's get on to it. This bag here, I'm in love with it. It has the gold and the leather, and it looks like snake skin or crocodile skin or somebody's skin. I can't tell you what kind of skin because I'm not into animals, but it's that type of skin. like I said, this bag is I love it. So you have the gold trim here. On the back, you have a zipper. 99.100%, I barely use this unless somebody give me business cards and I kind of stick them in there. But that it comes with a zipper on the back. On the inside, it just has 2 slide pockets that you put your eyeglasses in or your cell phone, and then you have a zip pocket on that side here. I would turn it over, but I have a bunch of stuff in it right now, everything that I carry. So when I carry my bags, me personally, I always carry, like I said, if I'm out more than 8 hours, I'm babbling right now because I'm all over the place. When I'm out and about, let's get focused, I carry everything but the kitchen sink in my bag. I did another video years ago, and I will put it in the link below. It was a funny video, but it was really what I carry in my bag. Now I'm doing more of business type stuff. I carry a lot of business stuff around with me because I have a couple of businesses going on. So let's get on to what's in Tara's bag. I usually carry my cell phone in my bag or in my hand. So let's get into this beautiful bag. I'm in love with it. I have a spare pair of glasses I carry with me because they break. In the pocket, I carry my favorite lip gloss. Lipstick. This is the matte satin from Milani, and it's in the color 12. I love it. My shades, I have the option of picking shades, but let's put these back where they belong right now because I'm not wearing them today. A toothbrush. Where's the toothpaste? And toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste, people. And you out and about, seriously, you out and about all day, go to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Because you're eating and you're talking to people. You don't want your breath to smell like whatever you just ate. And that's honest. I keep my toothbrush and toothpaste in my thing. If I could find a smaller one, I would. But I'm always using a smaller one. Especially when I'm traveling. Face mask. I have face masks in here. I'm going to be quiet on that one. I have I actually have 2. I have both my calendars. This is I use now as a notebook. When I'm taking notes from people, stuff. This is, I've had this, since my daughter's what, 20, she be 28. Okay, no, wait a minute. I got this when I was living in New York before I left New York. Okay, this is in the 30s. It's 30 years old. That's how long I've had this. And my wallet. 30-ish years old. Also my makeup bag in here. I'm going to show you in a second. My makeup bag, 30-ish years. And then I have a bag rolling around here somewhere, 30-ish years. I've been carrying Louis Vuitton 30-ish years. So this is my notebook I normally carry. This is my daily planner. This is my daily planner. I keep my daily planning stuff in here. And I have more than one daily planners, but I want the bigger one. I need the bigger one. My wallet. I don't show people what's in my wallet. I do that just to be like, yes, that's what's in my wallet. You don't need to know how much money I carry. Now, my makeup bag. This is the one I was saying is 30-ish years. I'm going to do a separate video on minimalist makeup I carry around. Now, like I was saying, my bra strap, I'm losing it. Like I was saying, this bag here is 30-ish years old. You could tell. The leather is is doing some stuff. I need to find that man that be on YouTube who refixed Louis Vuittons, but I think I want to keep it this way because this is 30-ish years old. I could just buy a whole new one. Yeah, it used to be a clutch. They had the thing here, but this is now my makeup bag, and like I said, I would do a whole separate video on my makeup bag. And there's another one that I had about 20-ish years. This is what I carry my personals in. Women, and I had to say it out loud. Women, carry an extra pair of panties around. Always carry an extra pair of panties. We're women. You know why I'm telling you to do it. We'll do a whole separate video on why. But women, carry an extra pair of panties. And a couple of maxi pads or tampons, whatever you want. And some vagina fresheners. Like I said, I will do a whole separate video on that. Panties. Vagina cleaner. Wipes. And your personal stuff. This is in here. And this LV is about 20-ish years old. Keep your extra pair. Women, I'm not playing with you. Extra pair of panties. Stop walking around here and your panties is moist and funky. I don't wear panties. I'm being real. I don't wear underwear clothes. Sometimes when I need to. But I'm pre-menopause. I don't really need it. But carry. And being pre-menopause, I still carry personals for, you know, those type of days. BC powder. Sorry, my video stopped. I carry BC powder. I deal with headaches. And sometimes this is a quick minimize my migraines and headaches. So I carry that around. I also carry around Gas X. Woo, I tell you, I'm getting old. Gas X is for, I'm a lactose intolerant and I'm gonna eat my food. And then I have a pen in here for some odd reason. Oh, my daughter, she's so cute. She put these little Tic Tacs gum things in my bag. Oh, that is so cute. I'm gonna put it back in there. When I went to her house, that's what she did. I think she snuck it in my bag. Anyway, so that's what's in this bag here. My favorite bag. My daughter has the green one, and my other daughter, she wants the same one, the same color. So with that being said, I think she wants the same color. I have to ask her. But anyway, let me put all this stuff back in. I'll be right back. I don't want to mix up my stuff. Okay, I'm back. Now let's see what's in my work bag. When I'm out and about and I'm working, I do tote this around. Even if I'm traveling, I used to tote my my Louis Vuitton tote bag. But see, this one here, maybe, sort of, kind of, might use this as my travel work bag. Out of town. No, we're going to stick with the Louis Vuitton. Anyway, let's get on to what's in this bag here. Now, like I said, this is my work bag when I'm working. My charger. I have the iPad charger and my Android charger in here. So, we're going to go with... I have both iPads. Tablets. I have a tablet, Samsung, and I have an iPad. My favorite, this. I use this because this was given to me, so yes. I love the iPad, and I love my tablet. I've had the Samsung tablet for over 10 years. Dang, it's been that long. The type of business I'm in, I am a financial advisor. I've been doing this for over 30 years. So I also have another business, which is I launched my purse thing. I also have clothing, accessories, and a few other things I have going on. I also make these t-shirts here, women 50 and beyond. Anything that you want on your t-shirts, I make those. I will launch that coming soon. So with that being said, I have daily planners for different businesses because everything is different. So I love this book here, which I'm going to cover it because it's gotten all itchy. So I use this book here. This is my daily planner for one of my businesses. I might switch it up. My other one here is my other day planner. I'll make these covers on the inside. I don't want to open up too much because stuff might fall out. But this is another daily planner I created. I also carry my camera. And where is that? Oh, my camera tripod. I carry this around because I do. I lost the case to my thing. I'm either gonna make another one or buy one. Anyway, these are my highlights and my pens, my colorful pens I write in my journals. I mean my everything. My best friend, which are my remotes to my cell phone. One is for TikTok. This remote is for TikTok, and this remote is for the phone itself. Extra face mask. I carry my extra face mask. Let me put them back. I have to get a case, but my extra batteries and my camera remote. What else? Now, like I said, I don't carry the strap for the purse. Both of these have the same strap. Let me put my camera down. Both of these purses carry the strap. I don't do straps over my shoulder. It's not my thing. But you can put the strap on if you want or not. So with that being said, that's pretty much all is in my work bag. Other than my journal I wrote in this morning. It's in the kitchen. So that's what I carry in my bag here. The combo, if you're interested in purchasing these, I will put it down below. They come separate or they can come as a combo. So with that being said, thank you for watching. I know I babbled at the beginning, but thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva, women 50 and beyond. Let me show you the back of the shirt. That's my silhouette. That's my, can we see me? That's my silhouette. This is me. This is actually me. I posed for a modeling thing and I loved it. I love this silhouette. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. I will leave all the information down below to my Instagram if you want to order anything. I will also put the website to my handbags. Oh, and I also do hair bonnets, which will be in a whole different video. So stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing you different bags that I actually sell. So with that being said,